Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, September the 29th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku, but you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 9354. 9354. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. That's a lot for a binary puzzle. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. And now the double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. And between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for in this additional the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.